So in this video, we're going to configure Audacity so that it has the correct settings for optimum sound quality. And so you look at the instructions that are on this page that are on the Samba website. Before opening Audacity, plug in your mic. Always plug in the mic before starting Audacity. 2, open the preferences. Now preferences are under the edit menu. On a Mac, they might be under the different menu, under the top left menu, you would see preferences for Audacity. And you're going to go to devices there. And under devices, you're going to look at recording. And you're going to make sure that you have your mic. I have a Logitech headset, which has a USB microphone attached. You want to make sure you select the correct microphone. You have two choices here. Select mono. Okay. Then under quality, on the left, you see all these settings. And so you're going to look at default sample rate is the same as it should be, 44,100 hertz. 44.1 kilohertz. Sometimes it's said that way. The default sample rate is a sample format is 16-bit. You have different choices here. Make sure you get 16-bit. Press OK. That's all. These you can leave the way they are and say OK. Then you want to go to Export Setup. And under the File menu, you'll see Export, but it's grayed out. And that's because I have not created a file yet. And so I'm going to just create a short test, 1, 2, 3, stop it. Now that I have sound in Audacity, and I can make this bigger. You notice it's monaural, there's only one channel. If it were stereo, there would be two channels here. You can now go into File, and Export will be available to you. And so you export the file. And here, the default may be WAV, so you want to make sure it's MP3. Save as type, MP3. Don't save yet. Go to Options. Now, Options is way over here on the right side. And so I'm going to click Options. And the options are constant, 128, and joint stereo. So I'm going to say OK with those. Then I'll show you that's what they are. Constant, 128, joint stereo. And I clicked OK. Now I have to give the file a name, test1. And I'm going to bring this back so I can show you the save button. This will come up. You do not have to put anything in here at all. This is for putting in IDA data, metadata, which means the artist name, the track title, and so on. You do not need that. And we're going to say OK. Now that file is on my desktop with the correct audio format for Optimum audio. I hope that helps.